The Grumbles, a story about gratitude. Written by Tricia Goyer and Amy Parker, and illustrated by Monica de Rives. The Grumbles were a happy family, most of the time. Well, a lot of the time. Okay, some of the time. Daddy Grumble was happy until he read the water bill. Mama Grumble was happy until she saw the laundry. Brother Grumble was happy until Sister took too long. Sister Grumble was happy until Brother used her stuff. And Baby Grumble was happy until she got hungry, or wet, or tired. That's when the Grumbles, started to grumble. Daddy Grumble would stump his foot. Mama Grumble would shake her head. Brother Grumble would yell and complain. Sister Grumble would tattle and whine. And Baby Grumble would wah, wah, wah. And then Grandma Grateful came for a visit. When Daddy showed her the water bill, Grandma smiled and laughed. When Mama pointed at the laundry, Grandma whistled and sang. When Sister took too long or Brother used her stuff, Grandma gave them both a great big hug. And when Baby Grumble was tired, or wet, or hungry, Grandma rocked and giggled and cooed. Grandma was grateful. After a while, the Grumbles started to think that maybe they could be grateful too. When Daddy read the water bill, he thanked God for his job. When Mama saw the laundry, she smiled at the kids who wore all those clothes. When Sister took too long, Brother whistled and waited. When Brother used her stuff, Sister helped to show him how. And when Baby was hungry or wet or tired, she still cried. But that was okay, because the Grumbles were all grateful most of the time. If you would like to make this story your own, please check the description box below. And if you want to hear more stories like this, please remember to like and subscribe.